Hello friends, in this video we will going to learn about how to apply conditional formatting with an interesting exercise. Now we have been given month column, budgeted production column, actual production column and the status. If actual production is greater than the budgeted production, then there is a demand in the market, and which is represented by a green color triangle, inverted triangle. If the demand, if the actual production is less than the budgeted production, then it is represented by an inverted red color triangle. And if the both are equal, that is the actual production is equal to budgeted production, then the yellow color inverted triangles are there in the status. If I change the value in actual production, say to 90, then the status will automatically changes and it will show me that my actual production is less than the budgeted production. Now first let's see the components that will be used. Here are the components that will be used. We will use nested if, we will use symbol based font, and we will use conditional formatting 3 times. Now the letters, we have P, Q, and TU. P, Q and TU, they are the representative, or they are the proxy for these symbols. How can I convert these letters into symbols? First, I will select these letters and change its font by going into Home tab, and in the Home tab I can change the font in this. I will change its font to Wingdings 3. Wingdings 3. And as if I change its font, the letters P, Q and TU have been converted into the symbols, upside, downside and the sideways. So the P is a symbol for an upward, that is where A is greater than B, that is actual is greater than budgeted. Downside, that is Q is the symbol for this, where actual production is less than budgeted. And the sideways, that is the TU, is the letter for the actual is equal to budgeted. Now we want these symbols to be presented in our exercise sheet in the status column. Let's do this. And also I will apply this font along with conditional formatting, so that if I type, if there is a letter P, it is represented by this symbol, Q this symbol, and TU this symbol. Now let's do in the status column. I will apply if formula. If actual production is greater than budgeted production, then I want P to come here in double quotes. And please note friends that P, Q and TU, these 3 letters should become in the small alphabets, in the small case. Or again, if actual production is equal to budgeted production, then we want TU in double quotes. Otherwise we want Q in double quotes, double brackets, and press enter. And I will just copy this formula here as well. Now I will change its status, its font to Wingdings, as I have done earlier. So I will go to Home tab. In this I will just type Wingdings to Wingdings 3. I will change its font to Wingdings 3, and as if I change its font, I will get my symbols. And let's see if it is working or not. If I type 90, yes. So symbols are working. Now I will apply conditional formatting in it. So I will select this, go to Home tab. In Home tab, here is the conditional formatting, and we will do New Rule. We will apply 3 times conditional formatting, one by one. Now we will select the second thing, format only cells that contain. In cell value, here we want equal to. If it is equal to P, then we will go to format, and then we will go to font. We will not go to fill, we will go to font. And if it is P, then we want an upward green. Okay, I will do is bold. See, where there is P, that means upside, it is represented by the green sign. Now we will again apply conditional formatting. Home tab, conditional formatting, New Rule, cells only, cell value should be equal to, if it is TU, then we want yellow color. And we will again apply conditional formatting for the third time. Cell value equal to Q. Ideally, we should apply double quotes here before and after Q, but in conditional formatting, it automatically takes the double quotes. So we need not to apply double quotes. We will only write Q. Okay. Now we will get our data. So like this, you can prepare a very good MIS report where you are got to show that actual production versus budgeted production using the indicator, which automatically changes when we change in the values. Practice this and apply this. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind and have a nice day.